Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use Google Wallet. So let's jump right in. To get started with Google Wallet, begin by downloading the app from the Play Store. Open the Play Store on your Android device, type Google Wallet in the search bar, and tap the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app. When it launches for the first time, it will display a list of all Google accounts currently logged into your device and ask you to choose the one you'd like to use. Select your preferred account, and the app will automatically log you in. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, where you can manage various features of the app. From this central screen, you can add and organize emails, loyalty passes, transit cards, and more. At the top of the dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Add to Wallet. Tapping this will allow you to begin adding your debit or credit cards. The app walks you through a simple, step-by-step process to link your cards, enabling you to make contactless payments and securely store everything you need in one convenient location.